lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain.
Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning and it is a good morning. I have managed to edit a video, make breakfast, have some coffee, get completely ready, water my plants, all while Remi has been napping, and she's still napping. I like keep peeking in on her because I'm like, are you okay? Like, why are you sleeping so long? But it's been amazing. I've had like such a peaceful morning. I did my hair for the first time after obviously getting it dyed yesterday, and I still love it. David thought I got a haircut because I feel like it just looks so much more like fresh, but I haven't had a haircut in literally months. It has to be like almost like, I don't know, 8 months or something. So that's coming next because I'm definitely due for a haircut, but I do really like it. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm like waiting for her to wake up, but cheers to Thursday, guys. We're almost done with the week, and yeah, very up close and personal, but I am loving these lighter pieces right around my face. I think they're called money pieces, but me going to the hairdresser and like telling her how I want my hair dyed is like me going through the Starbucks drive-thru. I do not know what I'm talking about, so when I go there I literally like show a picture and then I trust her and she just kind of does whatever. But yeah, I really like the light pieces in front of my face. Okay, Remi is up from her nap and I'm just kind of deciding what to do today. So I need to return a couple things to the mall, but also my mom is putting on this little vendor market at my hometown's festival in September. And at her little station, she does like repurposed furniture and like home decor and stuff like that. So she asked if I would want to like put some stuff in like her station as well. So I thought about going to Goodwill and trying to find some stuff that I could like repurpose, or kind of like the pot that I painted earlier this week. So I might stop at a Goodwill just to like kind of start getting stuff, since it's already freaking August. I cannot believe that. I feel like once August hits, it's like summer is gone within a second. So I might do that. But yeah, that's kind of all that I really have to do today. So yeah. Before we leave, I wanted to play a little bit with Remi, and I wanted to show you guys the new Lovevery play kit that I got this month. So this is for months 3 to 4. It's called the Charmer, and I just love these boxes so much because as a new mom, I don't really know everything a baby should be doing, especially like at these early stages. There's just so many little things that they're learning, and I feel like Lovevery has done all the research for me. I really just need to like open up this box. They send the cutest toys. You guys know that I'm a very like neutral person and I don't really love like bright colors, but all of their toys inside are so adorable. And they send these amazing books that are for the parents, and it will walk you through every toy that's in the box and kind of help you understand like how to play with your baby and what they should be doing at this age. And it's just so nice. It comes along with new cards every time, all these new toys, and Remi has loved playing with all of these things. I pulled out a couple of these already and she's obsessed with this little guy. This is like a little rattle, which is so cute. So I'm actually going to go through, read my book, and pull out some of these other things that she hasn't played with. But yeah, Lovevery is so amazing. I will link a little code down below that you guys can get free shipping if you want to buy one of these for yourself or your baby, or you know someone with a baby. I think these are an amazing gift to give as well. She's actually laying in her little play gym right now, and we also got sent these sensory strands, so she lays under them and she just kind of plays with all the different strands. They do different things, like this one squeaks and she just sits and like plays with them. So wow, you look so happy. She sometimes is a very serious baby, you guys. So yeah, this book is super nice to read through. So this is for month 3 and 4, like I said. So it just lists off at the beginning kind of little developmental stages that they should be reaching and things that your baby may be doing. So this is where she is right now. So I just kind of read through this and just kind of watch throughout the month like these different things, just to make sure she's kind of staying on track for those things listed. And it's just really nice to know, because like I said, I I feel like everyone knows about tummy time, but there's literally so much more to like how you can play with your baby when they're this little. So this first one is sensory exploration. So they sent this little book that like has all like the crinkle paper, and then you can put in these really cute like contrast cards. I can't really get this with one hand. Anyways, they send all of these really cute contrast cards that you can slip into these little pockets and just have them like open it up and play with all these really fun little things that they included in here for like sensory stuff. So that is super fun. This next one is reaching for a purpose. So it's this little bag, and I'm supposed to, if you turn it over, it kind of shows you like what you should do. So it says, hold the bag within reach of your baby and move it to make noise. See if they respond by waving their arms with excitement. So let's give Remi a little test. Good job, baby. Good job. Are you making noise? Okay, so that was really good. Like they say by the end of the 4th month, oh, she should be able to grab it and make noise. It's like an early example of cause and effect. So she did really good. You passed your first test, baby. Good job. I won't go too deep in all of this stuff, but this little toy is for locating sounds. This little thing you're supposed to like roll at them when they're on tummy time to like help with their motor skills. And there's just a ton of other stuff. She still is loving her little play gym. It's so nice to be able to like lay her down here and she just sits and like plays. She loves this little bell thing. You guys have probably heard it in the back of my videos. It sounds like I have like a little like clown bell rolling around my house always, but it's been just so fun to like watch her reach all these developmental stages, and me just having, you know, like a little better understanding of the little steps that she should be reaching. And yeah, it's just been so nice to have. So check them out if you guys haven't, and like I said, I have a code for free shipping if you guys would like to use it.
Why has it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even know me. I'm trying to hang, but if you're falling, it was slow.
We're home now. I ended up going to the Mall of America to do a couple returns, and then of course bought a couple of things. Mostly stuff for Remi, so I was going to show you guys really quick what we got. And then we also went to just one Goodwill to just kind of look around to see if I could find some things, and I found a couple really cute things, but I think I'm going to be annoying and save that for another video. I might keep thrifting for the next few weeks and do like a big video on like all the things I found thrifting, and then also like me kind of like upcycling some of the pieces. So look out for that in the next couple of weeks. But as far as shopping goes, we went to H&M and Zara. That's the two places I had returns at. So the first thing, anything I bought, I will do a little try on in a little bit here, but I got this really cute, it kind of looks like what I had on yesterday, but it's a short sleeve version. So I thought this would be really cute transitioning into the fall, and I really actually liked it with what I was even wearing today. So I'll try that on. It's kind of hard to show, but it's just like a little white button-up t-shirt. The rest of the stuff at Zara I got for Remi. We have a little wedding to go to this coming fall, and I got this really cute patterned dress with little bloomers underneath, and then I thought it would be really cute with like little like high knee socks and a little bow. So we got her that little dress. And then I got this little sweatshirt. I got these in 6 to 9 months, so they'll fit her like throughout the winter. But I just thought this was really cute with a pair of leggings, just kind of a cozy little sweatshirt. Then I got her another sweatshirt that is so stinking cute. Like, look at how freaking adorable it is. It's just like the cutest little thing. It has these like little ruffle kind of like collar around the edge, but again, just thought it was so freaking cute. And then at H&M, I bought these kind of like wide leg pants. Again, I'll try them on in a little bit to show you what they look like. I haven't tried these on, so hopefully they fit. And then I got Remi this super cute little romper. She honestly had similar leggings and a long sleeve for when she was a newborn, but I just thought this would be really cute going into the fall. Love these type of things. Next thing is for 9 months, so this won't fit her until like the winter time, but it's just this really neutral, like kind of ribbed onesie, and then the matching leggings. Just like a perfect kind of everyday outfit. And of course, I love the cream color. It actually came with a matching hat as well. Not really sure if I will use that, but it was cute anyways. So that is all that we got shopping, and I'm gonna make lunch now because I'm starving. All right, let's do a little try on. I haven't tried on these pieces yet, so we're kind of doing this together, and it's literally only 2 things, so not a lot, but I thought I would show you guys anyways. Okay, here is the first piece. It's just the white, like, I would guess it's like quarter sleeve. It's just like a really like drop shouldered button-up shirt, and I just thought it was really cute. A good like transition piece for the fall. I can just like button this up and like tuck it into jeans, or kind of keep it open like I have it on right now. I actually like it with this outfit. But yeah, thought this was super cute. This is from Zara and a size small, so it's definitely oversized. But yeah, I like this. Okay, next are these pants, which I actually really like. I think they're kind of fun. I got a size medium, and I kind of wish I would have gotten a large. They're a little tight like around here, and then a little bit like back here. I feel like maybe a size up would have looked a little better, but they hit me like right at the ankle. They're kind of a fun length, and I feel like with the right shirt you could easily like wear this out to like lunch or something, but it's also just like extremely like comfy to like wear around the house. But I actually really like these. Okay, back in what I was wearing before, I figured since we were talking about clothes, I would tell you guys where this stuff is from. My bodysuit is from Banana Republic outlet, and it's a super thick material. I'm not wearing a bra, so I feel like that gives you like a good understanding of how thick it is, and it comes in literally like 25 colors, mostly nudes, but then blacks and whites, and it is just like the perfect bodysuit. It's perfect for like under sweaters for the fall, and just like how I'm wearing it today. And then my pants are little I think they're called like balloon jeans. They're from Zara. I got them probably like 2 years ago, but I just went there today obviously, and I saw them still there. They have them in like 5 colors, I think, like jean, a lighter jean, these, a pink I think, and then like a cream color, which I actually really want to get. But yeah, they're the perfect just like comfy jean, and I'm not really fitting into any other type of jeans right now, or any that I have. So these are as close as I'm getting right now, but just thought I would share. Okay, I have a second, so I thought I would tell this story. I was going to tell it earlier, but I just wanted to get home. But when I was at the Mall of America earlier today, I was putting Remi in the car, and I had my stroller and like all my bags and stuff, so my like back end was still open, and I saw a car pull up behind me, and I just thought they were waiting for a car to like back out of the parking lot because it was super busy, so I thought they were just like waiting for a spot. So I just kept putting Remi in the car, and then I came back and I like collapsed the stroller, so I like kind of bent down, and as I like looked up, I could see the guy. He was like in the driver's seat, completely turned around like recording me, and I kind of was like, I just kind of like did this at him. Like I didn't really say anything because I was like startled by it. But turns out there was 2 girls across from my car, and they were staring at this guy. They like could maybe like tell that he was like suspicious, so they were just like staring at him, and once they realized what he was doing, they like went after him. They were like, "You were just taking a video of her, what the F?" Like they were really yelling at this guy. Like I never said anything because I don't know, I was kind of like scared and just startled, but they were like, "We have mace, we'll mace the SHIT out of you." Like they had my back. They were awesome. And the guy just like sped away, and then like he was kind of like circling the parking lot, so it was like creepy, and they were the 2 girls were like, we're not getting in our car until you leave this parking lot. So they like let me get all my stuff into my car. I got into my car, and then they like followed me out of the parking lot to just make sure that this guy didn't follow me. But anyways, moral of the story, you always have to watch back. And also, girls, if you see something like that happening to like another girl, be like those 2 girls that were in the parking lot, because I was like so thankful for them, because I was so scared and like startled by it and didn't know what this guy was doing, that I didn't say anything. I just kind of like was staring at him, but they were like seeing it from afar and they had my back. So thankful for them. Who knows what was going to happen, or if he was just sending a Snapchat to a friend. I don't know. It could have been worse. It could have just, sorry, my camera died. But basically, I just wanted to tell that story so that you guys keep your eyes out, have each other's backs. Like if you see anything suspicious, like don't leave someone by themselves, like have each other's backs. Basically is all I wanted to tell the story for. But we're home, we're safe, my doors are locked, and we're good to go.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues.
I have a video.
Okay, we're about to head out on a walk. I have a question for you.
Okay, what?
If we walk around the big lake,
I already know what's coming.
can we stop at the ice cream shop?
I knew it.
Can we?
Yeah, you can. I'll get something.
I knew it. If I asked on here, you would never say no.
Pressure.
Okay, we're going for a walk and we're going to get ice cream. Because why not? Right?
Do you want to try some, Remi?
I cannot wait till we can start feeding her like real food and
Superman ice cream?
treats. Yeah. Okay, let's go for a walk.